Hello there, YouTube. Well, my clock came today, so let's unpack it. I have to set you down and see what I can prop you all up on, so you can see. There. Trying to get this open without damaging the clock inside. Yeah, they used peanuts to pack it too. I always hate these things. It makes such a mess. This is my packing slip. Tells me what's in it. Here's the clock, the pendulum, that's the ornate piece, pendulum, it's all wrapped up, nice. Here's the weight, let's clean that up later. Let's get this clock unpacked. I wish I could find me some scissors, but never can find scissors in this house for some reason. Somebody always has them. Be careful. And I'm gonna need scissors to cut the chains. The chains are loose. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, let's unwrap the chains and get her on the wall. Okay. I'm gonna unwrap this ornate piece and put it on there real quick. Now, let's see. Well, that ought to be good. Let's see if I can. I'll be right back, y'all. I gotta go get a stool. Alright, I'm back. I had to go get me a step stool. Now let's see if I can't get this thing on the wall without dropping it because I'm using all in one hand. I had to put that ornate piece back on it. It fell off when I laid it down. I should probably check the back and pull all the stuff off of it so I can actually run the clock, right? That'd be a nice bright idea. Gotta pull all the packing out of it very, very carefully. Doesn't look like anything's damaged, so we'll see. This is my first cuckoo that I've ever gotten, so yeah. The bird is still there. Let's see if I can actually get it on the wall. Ooh. There we go. Now I gotta cut those off of it and put the pendulum and weights on it. And then I gotta make sure it's level. It looks level to me, but, well, it's not exactly level, but there it is. I'm gonna finish putting it together. And make it get the weights. And that's my clock over there, by the way. It's 1:45. Or no, I mean it's 12:45. Excuse me. I'm an hour off today. What's up with that? Some scissors. I don't know if you guys can see. I cut it off so I can put the weights on. I had to go down and find these, by the way. I'm gonna have to go down and find some not child scissors. I'll be back. Now let's see if I can get this wrapping off of it. That one's off. Now that doesn't wrap the pendulum here. gotta find where I put my weights, unwrap those. Got one. Now let's see. Now it's 12:45. Now let's see if she sounds. And I guess that's all. I'm gonna set the time and make sure she's even and on time, you know, ticking to the right tick-tock. Set it all up, and that's it. I have to rewind that weight after I set the clock. Alright, I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed somewhat watching me set this up, since I was doing it one-handed and I'm using a phone and everything. I have another cuckoo clock that I'm going to be doing too in the other room, but it's not here yet. So I'll get a video of that when I get it. See ya later.